Here's this AOC monitor. AOC is visible here, and the model is U2477PWQ. Let's see how to reset this monitor to default settings. To reset it, we have to use the menu. The buttons are down here. The fifth one, this one, is the power. So use the fourth one from left to enter the menu and the first one from left to exit. And the two in the middle are the arrows. So the right button on the right side. Okay, now use the third button to go to extra. I'm pushing the third button. Okay, now enter extra using the button on the right. Go down with the third button, the right arrow. Here we have reset. Now enter reset with the fourth button and set it to yes with left or right, and accept it with the fourth button. And that's it. The monitor was reset to its default settings.